Hey, Edgar's in Funneltopia here. A quick new update related to e-commerce products, and now you have the ability to see an additional SEO section under products where you can now adjust the SEO title, description, slug. So if you go to payments, products, over here, let's just click on one of them. Let's say this one, and if you scroll all the way down, now you have the option to edit the SEO title, SEO description, the slug. And the goal of that is to enhance the overall experience of discovering the products, but also keep in mind that you will only have this section if you have the this switched on, included online store. If this is switched on, only then you'll be able to edit it. So always keep that in mind. And if we go back, just as I mentioned before, under payments, products, and then obviously here will be the list of products. You can create a new one or edit the previous one if you have a list already. So go check that out. If you have any questions, hidden over here behind my face, 24/7 chat support, let us know. I'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. Also, schedule a VIP call if you're a VIP client. If you have more than a question or two, we have a larger issue or whatnot. So you can just reach out to us this way. Let's get on a call. But if you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.